in the castle. And the dragon's locked away. Come on, my friend. We're happy, so we have to celebrate. Now, who remembers? How do we skip? Do you remember how to skip? Okay, but wait. We're going to skip around in a circle.
I can sit like this.
Do you remember, girls?
Like this. Just like this.
Okay, wait. That's right. Remember, it's a march and a hop. March and hop. Who is struggling? It's milkshake needs. You are too clever for words. Too clever. Go. Skip and skip and skip and skip. Lift up your knees. Lift them up. This way. Here, or you're going to bash into your friend. There we go. Let's see one. Lift